Hi friends, in this video I would be showing three methods to block ads. Method 1. Go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to privacy. Go down, set ads. And here you can see advertising ID ending with 56D3. Google uses this advertising ID to store your activities and search history. Based on that stored data, Google will give suggestions. It will also show ads. We can delete this advertising ID and stored data. There is an option, delete advertising ID. Select it, select delete advertising ID, done. This way we can delete advertising ID and data that Google has been stored. That way we can block ads. This is the method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Again go to settings, go to privacy, go down, set usage and diagnostics. By default this option would be enabled like this. Let me turn off, done. If you turn on this option, it will automatically send diagnostic device and app usage data to Google. Google will store this data. Then based on this data, Google may show ads. We can block this. Just turn off this option. That's all. This is a method 2. Let me go to method 3. Method 3. Again, go to settings. Go to privacy. Select location. Select location status. See, right now location has been enabled. Let me turn off. Done. So we have to turn off location. Google uses this location data to show location based ads. We can block this. Just turn off this option. These are the three methods. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.